and welcome to another video. Today we are tackling something very intimidating, and that is the scary blank page. I know I've had my fair share of those days where you have so much inspiration, all you want to do is paint, and you sit down to paint and you have that blank page in front of you and you go, oh my gosh, what now? It's like all that creativity just flew out the window and you're sitting down with that blank page and there's nothing. If you're anything like me, I know how frustrating that can be, must be frustrating. So we are going to dive into a simple exercise that really helps me through creative block, and I hope that it helps you too. And it's called the Blank Page Challenge. So here's how it works. The goal isn't to create something mind-blowing or a masterpiece, it's just to get started. So however you get started, that's exactly how we're going to do it. You sit with a blank page, you get out a paintbrush, you load it with some paint, and you just go for it. You start with a stripe, a blob, a splatter, whatever it might be, and you just start. So the hardest part of this is making that first mark. So I know it sounds simple, but if that blank page has been taunting you, come with me and let's get started. Okay, so now that we have the blank page and we've started off by mixing a couple of colors here, and like we have the palette, and this is one, and also that's the thing. This is why I don't really clean my palette, because when you starting a painting and you actually don't know what to do, you can just go into these messy palettes and you can start your colors right there. So you don't even need to wash that watercolor palette. Should we go this way or the other way? See, now that's another decision. Okay, so let's go into the bigger brush. That'll also save you some effort when you're working like this, because if you've got a page like this, then you can just cover an area and have it. So anyway, let's start. Oh, what color to choose? I don't know. Let's just do this. This is like one of my favorite blues. It's kind of a dark one. It's a phthalo blue green shade. It's a really nice juicy blue. So, okay. You see? All right. Anywho. Okay, we did it. Maybe we should just like juicy it up a little bit. It's kind of a little bit dry there. Now that I have started with this random squiggly line, we're going to see it start to evolve. So once we didn't have a plan, but now we have a squiggly line. So let's see how this goes. Mixed up a couple of blues. So let's just go for it and see what we get. So I just started with a random squiggly line, and as you can see, it started to evolve once that one line was put down. And I didn't start with a plan, but once that first line was done, it started to feel a little bit easier and it started to evolve. Now the page isn't a blank page anymore, and there's more lines on it, and it's just easy from there. So as we go up to the top here, let's go a little bit more green. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge as much as I did. Now I would love to see what you came up with. So comment down below your creative endeavor for the day and how you got started on your creative journey. Did this video inspire you to open up a blank page and get started on something? And if so, let us know down below. And if you're new here, I invite you to subscribe to the channel for more art, fun, creativity, painting tips and ideas. And until next time, Thank you for watching. Bye.